Welcome back to Forces, everybody, and I've got actually 3 examples to go through, so I'll do each of them in individual videos because then you can watch them and re-watch them as often as you like. So the first example is about a tugboat, and it's pulling a large shipping container into the port of Tauranga. The tugboat exerts a total force of 16,000 newtons at an angle of 30 degrees from the horizontal. So let's draw that in to start with. We've got a force of 16,000 newtons. And we know that it is at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. And as I draw the right angled triangle, you can see that I have a vertical component of the force and a horizontal component of the force, just like with velocity, except that instead of a V here, we're putting an F for force, and remembering that force is measured in newtons. So we use trig in exactly the same way as we did for velocity. So let's find the horizontal force first, FH. That is adjacent here and hypotenuse, so that's cos. So it's going to be 16,000 cos 30, which when you work that out on a calculator comes out at 13856.4. Way too accurate. So let's use 2 significant figures, just like in the question. 2 significant figures, 2 significant figures. So there we go, that's all you need to do for that one. And then the vertical component of the force is opposite over hypotenuse, so we're going to use sine 30. And that comes out at a nice round number of 8,000 newtons. Okay, and we'll just say that's to 2 significant figures because everything else in the question is to 2. If you put 1 significant figure, that's fine too. So that's example number 1, done.